Hello, my wonderful viewers. I'm thrilled to have you back on my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, my 4-year journey with locks, and boy, has it been a roller coaster ride? Let me take you back to the end of 2019, when I made the bold decision to embrace locks during the time we were stuck in the. It was an exciting time, filled with new experiences and challenges. This journey has been a significant part of my life, and it's been an absolute joyride. I remember the initial stages when I was still wrapping up my locks. It was a bit of a headache at times, and there were moments when I felt like giving up. But you know what they say, perseverance pays off in the long run. And boy, have I reaped the rewards of this journey. My hair is as healthy as ever, and I can proudly say that I have no regrets whatsoever about choosing this hairstyle. Locks have become an integral part of who I am, and they've given me a sense of identity that I cherish dearly. They've also transformed me into a role model in my community, something that makes me incredibly proud. So there you have it, folks. My 4-year journey with locks has been one that's full of fun memories, lessons learned, and growth experience. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this one. Until next time, take care of yourselves and keep rocking your locks proudly.